In this video, we'll learn how to find the roots of a quadratic equation. Now, there are four ways of finding the roots of a quadratic equation: midterm breaking, completing square, quadratic formula, and graph. So now, midterm breaking, you already learned this in your O levels. Now, to give you a little revision about it, let's say we have an equation y equals to, let's come with an equation y equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2. So you break down the middle term, you get y equals to x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. Then you put y equals to 0 because we are finding the values of x when the equation was 0, when y was 0. So if you further factorize it, you'll get the answers x1 equals to minus 2 and x2 equals to minus 1. Now these are the roots of the equation x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now on to the completing square method. Now in the completing square method, you convert the quadratic equation into the completed square form. For example, if I have an equation y equals to 3x squared minus 7x plus 4, you already learned in the previous video how to convert this equation into the completed square form. So we'll get, I'll put 0 in the place of y because we're finding the roots. We'll get 3x minus 7 by 6 whole square minus 1 by 12, and this will give me x1 equals to 1 and x2 equals to 4 by 3. Now on to the quadratic formula. Now in the quadratic formula, you basically apply the formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. So let's say we're given an equation y equals to 2x squared minus 4x minus 3. I'll apply the formula x equal to minus b, and b is minus 4, plus minus b square, so minus 4 squared, minus 4ac, a is 2, c is minus 3. This under root is over the whole b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now what was a? A is 2. So we'll get x1 equals to 2.58, x2 equal to minus 0.58. This means that the graph crosses the x-axis at 2.58 and minus 0.58. Now on to the last method, which is done by drawing the graph. So in this method, you actually draw the whole graph of a quadratic equation, and you observe the points at which the graph cuts the x-axis, and those points, obviously those points are the roots of the equation. So for example, if we're given an equation which is y equals to minus 3x squared, y equals to minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 6, and they have asked you to find the roots of this equation by drawing a graph. So if you draw the graph of this equation, you'll get this. And here this point is, these are the roots of the equation, root 1 and root 2. This point is minus 8.08 minus 0.808 comma 0. These are the coordinates of this point, and the coordinates of this point are, x coordinate is 2.175, and of course the y coordinate is 0. So the roots of this equation, this one, y equals to minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 6, are 2.175 and minus 0.808.